What is up, guys? We are on the way to the mall now.
Woohoo!
Heading to square one. But I'll go run a quick errand with the wife over here.
I love shopping.
Do not try this at home.
You're showing a lot of the left side window.
Yeah, I had to look to the left to check.
Oh, okay.
So I was merging to the left. But yeah, we are on the way to square one. But I'll go run some quick errands here. That's a nice Beamer over there.
Yeah, really
What is that,
nice.
X6?
Yeah.
Older X6 maybe? I love that Beamer setup over there. Let's go creep up on him a little.
Give it a little fun.
His plate is like ripping apart or something, look. Yeah, it's like an X6. Older X6. Last night, I was on the way home and I had this S5 pull up on me. I was in the CLS and honestly, I was not expecting the CLS to keep up like that, but it actually ended up gapping the S5, which was super surprising. It was a newer S5 too, so I don't know. I thought I was gonna get hit with the gaps, but CLS 550 pulled through. Such a sleeper car, honestly. Sleeper mobile. Let's go ahead and catch up to this Beamer here, maybe.
Oh my gosh.
What?
It drives so amazing. Sounds so
Yeah, this car handles like butter, right?
good. Yeah, she pulls.
But yeah, guys, we are on the way to square one now. I think my girl's gonna hit up some stores like Zara. What other stores are you trying to go to, honestly?
Aritzia. I'm trying to get some shoes. Maybe go stop by Bolt for the Skims.
I know where your Skims are. Oh, what's going on over here?
Well, you can never have too much Skims.
Hello, my friend.
He wants to play.
It looks like we're gonna get off on Mavis instead now.
Little detour.
Look at the M5 comp right in front of us. He's got like that mix of the plates. You see it?
Yeah, what is that? I was gonna ask.
It's like a German plate or something.
Oh.
See? What a nice, honestly, those M5s are gorgeous. Doesn't look like he wants to play though. Bro's just cruising today.
Look at the Mississauga sky.
Oh, he's coming through.
Oh.
Sir, come here, sir. Nah, he's just trailing slowly behind. Trying to bait him into him, but
He
doesn't seem like he wants. No, honestly, that car. So that car is lighter and it has the same engine.
Ah.
So theoretically, yes, he could definitely give us the gaps. But seems like he's asleep today. So let's go ahead and slow down here for him.
The German plane was cool. Is he still coming? Where the Bye, friend.
He did a downshift for us there. Goodbye, my M5 friend. If you're watching this video,
Like and comment.
if you're watching this video, bro, go ahead and hit me up on the gram or something. Let's link up, go for a little cruise. That car is beautiful, honestly.
Got some rollers.
No, that car is sick. I love M5s are nice. Like, yo, look at this man over here juggling on the side of the road. Yo, honestly, Canada's so different now. Like, there's always been garbage on the off ramps. Look, He's killing it. Let me get the DJI. Maybe I'll get a better clip in the DJI. Hey, I got some change for you. You don't mind if I do a little recording, do you?
Got a lot of cameras on you. Sure.
Yeah, I do a little bit of YouTube. I haven't seen anybody do this before, so.
Sure. My favorite part is being able to see everyone smile.
Yeah.
Look away while I do it, like.
Oh shit. Yo, this guy's crazy. How long you been juggling for?
Long time.
Nice.
I actually am just practicing all the time, so.
That is sick, man.
Super cool.
Soon I will be able to do a lot better.
That's crazy.
Hope
Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Take care, man. Good luck.
You too.
That is sick. He's not like begging or, you know, like, oh, he's not like, oh my God, my family has like stage 7 cancer, and like you see them pulling up in an Escalade. You haven't seen those videos where like they pretend like their families in like super need, and then like you see them like get into the S class and you realize you've been funding the S class the whole time. You haven't seen that before?
No, I have, but I mean, I don't know.
No. If you want an S class, go work for it. See, this guy's just juggling. I rate that. He's juggling. He's not BSing. He's not like, oh, like, you know, I'm dying or something. Nah, bro. Like, he's sick, you know?
Yeah.
Let me know what you guys thought of that juggling act. Pretty sick in my opinion. He's like, you have a lot of cameras on you. I'm like, brother. Is it recording?
I hope
Oh yeah, it is.
Oh my gosh.
I'm like, brother, of course we got a lot of cameras. We're doing the YouTube now. Got the Eco Boost. One of my buddies, Rafe, has a nice Mustang 550, but I saw him last summer when Vantage had their season opener.
Oh, okay. I remember going to that, but
We went into GT. We didn't. I don't think we had the M8. No, we didn't. Because we got the M8 in September.
Hey.
So.
You guys are definitely gonna see more clips of the GT as well now that it's summer.
Now that it's summer, I'm pulling the GT out. Look at that grandma over there giving me a look. I was just doing one little pull, Granny. Chill. It's not that deep. Grand. Anyways, guys, we are here in the heart of Mississauga, Square One. I used to be here all the time as a kid. Now I barely come by, honestly. Do most of my shopping online.
I like going in person sometimes.
You know what? I don't mind Square One, but like we're fasting right now, so
Yeah. The food.
I'm not even gonna be able to enjoy any of the food or anything, so I'm just gonna drop this one off here and then figure out something to do. I got my laptop on me. I might pull up somewhere to work, but again, can't even drink anything, can't even like eat anything, so we'll have to figure something out.
You can still chill there. But I was going to say, since we're moving back to Mississauga, you guys are definitely gonna see us in this area more.
Yeah, okay, that's true. That's true. I haven't really seen anything nice other than that M5 comp. That juggling was pretty cool. I've never seen that. I haven't seen a guy on the side juggling like that. They're always like just begging, you know?
Oh my gosh, baby.
Look at that. The Beamer with the stripes at the front.
Yeah.
The blue, red. I don't know. Me personally, I don't like those. Like, it's cool. It's cool. Don't get it twisted. But I like a clean, regular grill. No extra colors. No extra flavors.
I like our grill because the M is very like quiet as well. Like, you know, the stripes are there, but it's very like subtle.
It's subtle.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll see some nice cars here today. I'm gonna go pass by, drop you out at Holt, okay? Holt area. Abdul Musa. Look at Abdul Musa here. See him right there?
Oh,
The plate. The notorious squeaking Beamer brakes drive me insane.
There's no fix to them, like they're just stuck.
I was in the community, the forums, and I saw that some people had like a alternative like braking system set up that reduces the sound. I don't know if it's a complete fix.
Anything to
The
stop
famous
squeaking.
Drake Towers Look,
Yeah.
Marilyn Monroe's, Absolute buildings, whatever you want to call them. They've become more popular since Drake put them on his album cover. He's a saga man. Who knew that? Who would have thought? Let's go pull up by the Holt, see if there's any nice cars, drop off the wife, make some noise. Oh, I just seen a yellow Urus down there. Just the front, just the tip of it. Just the tip of it.
Go cruise the parking lots. Maybe you'll find some nice cars.
Let's go ahead and make a left here. I see the blue Corvette. You see him?
Yeah.
Corvette.
He might be dropping his girl.
He's dropping off his wife. I'm dropping off mine. I wish we took the GT out today.
Yeah, the weather's gorgeous.
I didn't think of that. We could have left in the GT. It's all right. These guys barely see the M8, so it's good to give them a view of the M8. The GT is gonna be all over the channel. That one's like my favorite car to drive in the summer. So you guys are gonna see that way more often.
The thing is, the M8 pops at certain speeds, but the GT instant pop.
The GT's popping everywhere, like everywhere. No matter the speed, RPM, the ISB, like pop, 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 pop.
Yeah.
And then stock too, like no tune, no pop and bang tune. Like most of these Beamers or Benzes that add the pops. No. This is stock pop, pop, pop. Where?
Right there.
Oh, that G-Wagon is nice. I'm not gonna deny the facts.
Hey.
Alright, here we are, typical square one. Filled with people. Nobody wants to let me nobody wants to let me through. This guy's just gonna cross. Cigarette in hand.
What about your life?
Hair long. Not one.
I at least.
Look at this G. G550.
Very nice.
Not bad. Cool little car. Oh, we got the Popo here too.
He went into
What are
the
they
mall
doing?
as well.
These guys are shopping. Have fun shopping. Yeah, you have the card? Look at that Tonka. Let's go take a little stroll through Mississauga then, I guess. Look at these new builds here. All these new builds. I think this is where the old Timmy's used to be. Let's go ahead and make a left here. Let's go check out the mall, go around the parking lot, see if we can find any cool little meets. Sometimes people park up all their nice cars in one area. It's usually by the Holt, sometimes in front of the Moxies. We'll check right now. This guy in the Beamer, I think, is gonna take way too long. Don't worry, madame. Yo, that guy got stuck at the light looking at the M8. People started honking at him. That's funny. That's funny. This guy likes the M8, huh? That's funny. Security's on my ass. Trying to make this left here. Let's see if this guy would let me in. Perfect, we are here. What is that over there? SRT Scat Pack? I don't really know. Honestly, I'm not really too knowledgeable about the Dodge community. Never had one, so I am a fan though. I'll tell you that much. I love the you know, like I'm a fan of those. So don't get it twisted. We be loving those. That is a nice sound. I love that sound. Corvette, Corvette. Yo, there's so many Corvettes. Red Corvette, blue Corvette. Saw a black Corvette earlier. Nothing else though. I haven't really seen a lot of Porsches or Lambos, Audis, AMGs, Beamers. I mean, we saw the M5 earlier, but that's about it. Anything interesting in the lot today? What do we have here? Oh, that's a clean Beamer over here on the right. Blacked out. That's nice. What about this over here though? The Urus. Yellow Urus. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. I'm not parking, thank you though. I'm not gonna park, thanks though, man. Bro was sacrificing his parking spot for me. I appreciate that, honestly. Not parking though, so. This little just crapped herself after I did that pull there. That's actually funny. Brother, you're not making a left, so I mean, all right, so why is your signal on? Beamer is sounding nasty today. Anyways, let's go head into the mall, find the wife. Tired of driving around now. Good 10 minutes of driving around the mall. So much traffic makes it honestly unbearable to enjoy the driving. I like it when the mall is nice and quiet. That's why I like to come during the weekday when everybody's at work. That's when you come, when you can take off work so you can come during the work. Then the mall is, ooh, what is that over there? Hello, my friend. Greetings, my brethren, my brother. Where are you? Habibi. Come on, let me through quickly here so we can get a look at our oh yeah. Oh, this is gonna be a nice little clip here with both the sides. Found our doppelganger up ahead. Let's go ahead and do a quick little U-ey here. Boop. Found the doppelganger. M8 on M8 action. All right, guys, we are here at square one. We got our M8 over here, black on red. And we have the doppelganger right behind us, black on black spec, looking crazy. No front plate on this one. Go ahead and check out the rear to see what we find. And as you guys can actually see, this man came all the way down from California with his M8 competition. Brother, what are you doing in Mississauga? What are you doing here, man? Got the 23 M8 over here, looking nice. Let me know down in the comments which one you guys are picking. Black on red, or the black on black. Damn. Let's go ahead and head inside the mall.